untuk menghentikan mobil. Oke, ini untuk militer ya. Ini untuk kelas-kelas berat. Lihat, Bapak Sombayang langsung berhenti.
To keep up with security.
Oh Tuhan, langsung hancur dong.
Laughed at every little thing that was against the rules.
Alright. Welcome back with me Renaldigilbert. Bagaimana kabar kalian, Pak Gengs, Pak Boy? Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe, everybody. Sing song, duda-duda. Dan di video kali ini, saudara-saudara, kenapa seperti siskakol? Kita akan melihat ini teknologi polisi terbaru terkini, teknologi militer terbaru terkini yang pernah ada di muka bumi, yang tidak pernah kalian ketahui, dan tidak perlu berlama-lama. Mari sama-sama kita jump into it. Alright, ini teknologinya. Oh, ini mengejar penjahat. Bapak Sombayang, tolong. Mengejar penjahat tidak bisa lari ini.
Spike strips.
Apa ini?
Are kind of a classic police technique when it comes to stopping speeding vehicles. But the invention has come a long way over the years. Retractable
untuk
spike
menghentikan
strips are a new and
mobil.
improved method for taking on criminals.
Untuk mengejar mobil yang lari ya.
More time to set up, but they can be dangerous to use too. And having to stand near the road with speeding vehicles
Dia menggunakan apa
isn't
ini?
exactly safe either. With these new retractable spike strips, you don't even really need to be on the road.
Tidak perlu lagi di jalan ya.
Police officers can place
hanya di pinggir jalan ya, mengejar penjahat misalnya ini. Ini simulasinya ya. Dan langsung tarik lagi, polisi lewat. Dan bannya jadi kempes kah? Itu membuat ban jadi kempes ya. Berikut ini apa ini? El Costa Wedges Barrier.
When it comes to stopping speeding vehicles, sometimes you want something a little
Ini untuk menghentikan kendaraan ya. Bapak Sombayang langsung berhenti.
Military are after a more sturdy way of stopping criminals.
Tuhan.
They look to big bulky barriers like ones
Bapak Sombayang ini langsung mati ini.
areas that need that little bit of extra security. This barrier can put a stop to all.
Ini langsung meninggoy.
You'll find these things around
Langsung
high security
menunggoy.
areas like government offices, research centers, and even military bases. That's how you know these barriers mean business.
Ini untuk militer ya. Ini untuk kelas-kelas berat. Lihat, Bapak Sombayang langsung berhenti.
Can't take it on.
Tidak akan pernah bisa lari lagi kalau begini.
Still standing even after getting hit. XNET.
Next, XNET.
With using old spike systems to stop cars. Is that the
pakai
cars
jaring
don't
kah?
always stop when and how you want them to.
Langsung
Because the tires of
berhenti.
the car are being
Ban mobil langsung terkunci.
is still capable of moving forward and creating a rather large distance.
Ini
XNET puts a
canggih
stop to
ya.
that. And instead of creating a much
XNET.
more
Coba
dangerous
XNET, kita lihat
situation
simulasinya
with
XNET.
an already rushing car, XNET instead brings the car to a
langsung berhenti. Lihat, langsung berhenti. Ban mobil langsung terkunci.
A little dangerous,
Tidak bisa lari.
especially when there's speeding cars all around. The old usual spikes that are
Iya,
used
hati-hati
in
ini.
police pursuits can often end in injury and death.
Bapak Sombayang.
But XNET aims to
Langsung
stop that.
terkunci dong.
And through trials and tests, it's been proven to be an overall safer option, not just for police and military, but for those in the car too.
Lihat, langsung terkunci
Held
semua.
HT1
Next.
Raptor.
Health
This is a
HT1
modern
Raptor.
security barrier.
HT1 Raptor ya ini teknologinya.
Extra security.
Aduh.
This barrier is inserted into the ground, but that doesn't mean it stays like that, as it can rise and fall right.
Dia
back
pasti
into
bisa
the path of
menghentikan
police and vehicles.
kendaraan
This
berat sekalipun
barrier is
ini.
so strong that even after crash testing, it displayed zero signs of wear and tear,
Hanya
showing you
satu
just
ya.
how much damage it
Coba
can
kita lihat.
take.
Aduh Tuhan, Bapak Sombayang.
Could even handle
Langsung
a 7.5
meninggoy.
ton truck
Rusak.
that was zooming in at.
Truk rusak sudah, habis sudah.
This barrier certainly won't back down from a fight, and is ready
Langsung
to
rusak.
take on
Lihat,
any
terbelah.
cars that try to ram
Terbelah.
it. Whether there's a whole line of Raptor,
Terbelah, lihatlah.
definitely a
Rusak.
good option for those wanting top-notch security.
Tidak bisa lari.
Slow spike.
Pro Spike. Oke, apa ini?
Smart, sleek, and easy to use. The Pro Spike knows exactly.
Oke, bannya langsung kempes ya. Pro Spike
This is
ya.
a nail mat that can easily be placed on the ground
Oke.
to conduct border or traffic checks, road
Ini langsung buat kendaraan kempes.
speeding criminal from escaping. One of the
Okay.
best things about the mat is that officers don't need to risk their lives getting close to the road and being near oncoming vehicles.
Oke.
All it takes is a remote control to activate the
Hanya pakai remote control ya.
officers can carry on with their jobs with a lot more safety and efficiency. Most cars can only travel up to 200 meters once their wheels have been met with the
Okay.
nails of the Pro Spike mat.
Oh, dia langsung tarik ya.
Create a large distance between themselves
Bahan langsung
and
kempes.
officers.
Memang canggih.
Sometimes
XNET.
police chases can get a little crazy, and it's
XNET.
better to just de-escalate the situation rather than adding to it.
Oke.
That's where the arrest net comes in handy. This is a
Apa ini?
high-quality, powerful net
Oh,
that can be
Tuhan.
thrown into the pathway of a
Langsung
vehicle
terkunci.
and make sure they come to a steady halt.
Langsung terkunci.
The spikes attached to the net help pierce the back tires,
Langsung
which
terkunci.
forces the net to tangle around the front tires.
Ini seperti jala ya.
But to stop, officers don't have to do much except
Ah.
approach the vehicle since the net will keep those escaping in place,
Tidak bisa lari kalau begini. Menyerah saja.
meaning deaths and injuries can be avoided. And the net is
Ah.
deployed within just 3 seconds.
Lebih baik
Making it a
menyerah.
quick but efficient mode for catching and stopping those on the run. Safe stop.
Safe stop. Apa ini? Teknologi apa ini safe stop?
This piece of technology. The Safe Stop system is designed to put a stop to any engine, all with the use of contactless RF transmissions.
Oke, hanya butuh apa?
It's super easy to use and is rather portable,
Hah?
and can be used on both sea and land, meaning the Safe Stop can
Hanya
even
pakai
access
teknologi
both
apa ini?
engines.
Langsung berhenti dong.
A button, vehicles near and around a mode of transport with Safe
Okay.
Stop activated will come to a halt without using any other methods. The actual stop is safe.
Langsung berhenti. Hanya dengan satu tombol.
This gadget can also come in handy for security check. If someone speeds away or is looking suspicious, the Safe Stop can always help bring them to a halt so they can be questioned. Net barrier.
Oke. Net barrier.
The net barrier is a retractable net that works wonders when wanting to keep up with security.
Oh Tuhan. Langsung hancur dong.
Cars that are coming from either direction and have a very speedy and sufficient
Langsung
deployment
balik lagi
of only
dong.
2 seconds. This means
Tidak bisa
criminals
tembus
will have to
dong.
think quick when dealing with the net barrier. But the net barrier has some other benefits to help those in law enforcement. This is a subtle but
Canggih.
as the net can stay hidden within the road, only to pop out whenever you need it. The net does offer
Langsung
some
hancur,
safety
ya?
too for those who
Lihat,
happen to collide with it.
Ini baru teknologi jago.
And also get
Iya, langsung langsung balik ke belakang ya.
safe. With a rather long net span of up to 80 feet, the net barrier is sure to keep all vehicles at bay while keeping certain high security areas stay safe.
Oke.
Module vehicle
Next.
barrier
Modul vehicle barrier. Oh Tuhan.
have always been an issue, but the module
Bapak
vehicle
sombayang.
barrier tries to make that a problem of the
Oh kasih yang
past.
rusak truk.
Modern and unique technology, this barrier transfers the force of an oncoming
Langsung rusak.
vehicle
Langsung
into
rusak.
the ground.
Oh Tuhan.
It can be used in all kinds of areas, from a regular, old street
Langsung
to
rusak.
terrain that's a bit more rough and rocky. This is a super strong way to keep protected areas even safer.
Tidak bisa bergerak ya.
So lightweight, it's a relatively accessible approach to keeping the threat of vehicles down. After the barrier has been hit with a vehicle, it flies up slightly into the wheels, trapping the driver in their spot.
Oh Tuhan.
The module vehicle barrier is so strong that it can even take on trucks without a hint of damage, proving just how high quality and sufficient these barriers are.
Ini bisa langsung menghentikan truk ya.
Those in law
Grappler.
enforcement are able
Apa
to
itu?
take all control.
Oke, menangkap Ini menangkap
Instead of
mobil ya.
police just bumping speed vehicles with their own car and
Oke.
increasing the risk
Oh,
of
langsung
injury and
terkunci.
death, officers,
I see.
the Grappler is an innovative device that sits at the front of a police car. When the timing is
I
right,
see, langsung
officers
terkunci
can
ya.
trigger a strong, thick net that will wrap itself around a car's back tire.
Langsung
Since
kempes
the
dong
net
bannya
is
itu,
so
lihat.
strong, it'll bring the car to a total halt, meaning officers are able to get a safe
Langsung terikat dan berhenti. Itu baru canggih.
in pursuit. The stopping of the car is generally safe for the driver, but that doesn't mean the Grappler holds back. It's still a nifty, strong device that was designed to disable a car and keep it from moving. And it
Memang
does
canggih sih ini.
exactly that.
Langsung terkunci
The
dan
only
langsung
action that needs
terikat.
to be taken
Ah.
is the pressing.
Mau dibawa kemana pencuri kita?
And that's the 10 police and military inventions.
Itulah dia saudara-saudara teknologi-teknologi yang sudah ada di polisi dan militer kita yang tercanggih yang tidak pernah kita ketahui saudara-saudara. Dan tidak perlu berlama-lama karena memang video ini sudah berakhir. Dan jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe, everybody, see you in the next video. Dadah.